So today's topic is linear differential equation. So first we will see what is the standard form of linear differential equation. The standard form is given by dy by dx plus py equal to q, where y is the dependent variable and x is an independent variable. This equation, this differential equation, linear differential equation is in variable y. Here constant p and q, these are the functions of x. So if any question is given to you, first thing you have to see that this question is in standard form or not. If not, then make it in standard form, and if it is in a standard form, then just compare the value with the standard form, then you can get the value of p and q. Now the next step is to find out the if. Now what is if? If stands for integrating factor. So next step is to find out the value of integrating factor, and its formula is given by e to the power integration p dx. Okay. So we have to integrate p with respect to x. P, what is p? P is some function of x which you can get from comparing the given equation with the standard form. Now the after second step, in third step we can find its solution. Its solution is given by y into if, that is integrating factor, which we already calculate in the second step, integration of q into if with respect to y plus constant c. So we have to put the value of q, the value of q you can obtain from here, and if, then whatever the value we have to integrate it with respect to y, and what is c? C is the constant of integration.